Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to do a revision to my punch Destash that I had, I think it was last Friday. I guess nobody was interested in them. It took a lot of me, it took a lot for me to part with some of those punches, but I have to let it go. I have to. I just don't have the room and all that. So I want to go through it with you all. I reduced all of them. And instead of plus shipping, all the prices that I'm going to give you today is including shipping. And I should have said that when I first did it, but I still think that it was still a bit high. But anyway, so the rule is it's US only, friends and family only, PayPal only, and by email. Okay, so if you go to, I'll link the original video down below in the description down below so you can see what you'll be getting. I'll be putting, I think, the bigger lots in a medium size box, and then I will be wrapping the others with bubble wrap in a flat rate bag or bubble bag, something like that. So let's get to it, okay? So the first lot was the Martha Stewart borders, and I am asking $60 shipped, okay? And like I said, I'm going to have the video so you can go back and watch the video. Just don't listen to the prices. Okay, so the second lot is the flower lot, and I'm reducing that to $35 shipped. I just really want to get these. I really just want to just destash them. The next lot was Halloween, and I'm also destashing that for $35 shipped. Lot 4 are the fall leaves, and that came with a lot of punches. So I'm asking $45 shipped. That is a great deal for all those punches, but anyway. Lot number 5 is the Valentine's Day punches, and I'm asking $35 shipped. And lastly, lot number 6 is the snowflake lot, and that is also $35 shipped. So if you're interested, please send me an email. I think I'll, what do you call it? Disconnect the comments down below. But if you want to watch my video again of me showing you the punches, I will link them down below for you guys to see it. So yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm gonna go any lower than this because they're heavy. These punches, when they're all in a box, they're pretty heavy, and shipping is crazy, crazy expensive. So please let me know if you're interested, and I'll have my email down below as well. Yeah, so I want to thank everybody for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.